Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for August 2019. This box is $10 a month. You get 5 deluxe beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup sort of products in a little bag. You sometimes get a beauty bonus. Actually, you always get a beauty bonus. And you also get 50 Beauty Insider points to add to your Sephora account. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the values of everything in here. I do the math, I find out whether this is a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, you're gonna have this little card right here. It's going to have, I guess the theme for the month, which is recycling of some sort. No, it's actually superhero. Your Play Bay. The Adventures of Play Bay. And then on the back here, it's gonna have everything we're getting. I'm curious to see what they say about this. It's like they're trying to sell you on this box when you're literally already purchasing it and buying it. So I don't know who this is targeted for, but you've already got my money. So anyways, okay. So inside the box is going to be this little bag right here. It's going to have everything that we're getting right in here. Let's just see. I'll go ahead and pull out the first thing I'm seeing. Okay, so this is from Glamglow. This is a Supertoner Exfoliating Acid Solution. It's like a little tiny sample. Glamglow is not cruelty free, so I will not be using this. Probably just go ahead and give it away to somebody. Ooh. It smells like mouthwash. That's weird. Okay, so it says shake to activate the charcoal acids and clay, then sweep over clean, dry skin. Start by using it twice a week and build to every night. So that tells me that it's probably gonna sting a little bit. It's probably a little potent. I'm good. I like my toner that I'm currently using, so not mad to miss out on that. When it says that I can't use it every day, like I like the Pixie one. It's gentle enough where I right away could use it every day and like build my skin up to it though. So I don't know. Tell me what you think about this. Has anybody tried this? I'm curious to see like how it feels on your skin. Let me know. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Clinique. Again, not cruelty free. This is the Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. So it doesn't really smell like anything. It's just a face cream. So I do like the packaging on it. It is very, very pretty. But again, this will just be going to a friend or into a giveaway. All right. Let's see if I can get anything I can use in this bag. All right. The next thing I have is from Nars. Again, not cruelty free. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Dance Fever. So, I don't know why I smell everything. This is probably not a color I would use. It's like a chocolate brown. I don't really wear a ton of brown lip things. It's just not something that I think complements my skin tone very well. So this will probably just go into a giveaway. Or with a friend. I mean, this is a decent sample size, honestly. That's not too bad. Oops, I just nicked the edge on the lid. But I promise I did not use it. Anyways, let's see. Maybe I can get one thing I can use out of here. Oh, here's something I can use. Okay, so this is from BareMinerals, which is cruelty-free. This is the Set, Hydrate, and Glow Dew Mist. There it is. This is a very small sample. Oh goodness, this is really tiny. Let's go ahead and... Oh. That first spray had like a big glob in it. Otherwise, the mist is not that bad. But that first initial spray, maybe don't spray the first time directly on your face. It doesn't really smell like anything. It feels like a setting spray. Like there's no way for me to really review this without wearing it longer than 3 seconds on my face, but it feels nice. So, yeah, definitely will probably use this up in a week. So excited to try that out. Okay. The next thing is from Briogeo, which is cruelty-free. This is the Farewell Frizz. It is a blow-dry protectant and heat protectant cream. I have used this before. I've gotten it, I don't remember which box or bag, but you get this brand quite a bit. It is not bad. It smells really good. I enjoy the scent. It's just like a little cream, you know, and sometimes I use it even if I like have a couple like flyaways that I just want to get. I'll just use like a cream like this on that, even if I'm not using heat on my hair. I enjoy it. It's fine. It's just, I don't know. I'm not a huge hair person, so I'm not really the best person to like talk about hair care products, but I do like it, so that's my opinion. I like it. Okay, I have one more thing. This is cruelty-free as well. This is from Sunday Riley. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I have used this before. I don't remember if I got it from this or from Allure or something. I don't really like the way it smells, and I don't know why. I can't really put a reason to it because I don't know. I just don't like it. It's just like a serum for your face. I mean, I've gotten like this exact same sample size before, so it's not. I haven't tried enough of it to notice a difference when I use it, but whenever I do get it, I do use it, and I do enjoy Sunday Riley skincare products. I love the CEO Glow Oil. I love a lot of their skincare stuff. It's probably one of my favorite skincare brands, so I definitely will give it a try. Maybe one day I'll splurge and get like the full-sized thing so I can really have an opinion on it. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's bag. I have the BareMinerals, which is cruelty-free. I have the Briogeo, which is cruelty-free, and the Sunday Riley, which is also cruelty-free. So I'm definitely excited to use these products, even though 2 of them I have tried before. I'm not mad that I got them. I do have 3 products here that are not cruelty-free. This is the Nars lip pencil, the Glamglow toner, and the Clinique face cream. So while I'm bummed that I can't use a lot of these products, they do not market themselves to be a cruelty-free bag. So I can't really judge them on, oh, you're not really that cruelty-free. They don't market themselves that way, so I'm not mad at them. It's just an experiment for me to see like how much can I use out of this. And like the stuff I can't use, like there's people in my life who will use this. I'm not one of those people who's like, well, I'm cruelty-free, so you have to be cruelty-free. I'm like this. I'm not like that. It's a choice I made for myself. I still buy my husband his, you know, whatever deodorant he wants to use because it's not his, you know, that's his choice, and I have my own choice. So bummed about it, but not mad at Sephora at all. So yeah, that's everything I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all the good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.